Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn Celsius into Fahrenheit. To begin, take your Celsius temperature. The very first step is to multiply that Celsius number by the fraction 9/5. You can also think of this as multiplying by 1.8. This calculation sets the foundation for converting your temperature from the Celsius scale to the Fahrenheit scale, getting us closer to our final answer. Once you've multiplied your Celsius temperature by 9/5, the next step is to add 32 to that product. This number, 32, is very important because it represents the difference in the freezing points between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Remember, 0 degrees Celsius is the same as 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so adding this value correctly aligns our temperatures. So, putting it all together, the full formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit equals Celsius multiplied by 9/5, and then you add 32. This simple yet powerful equation is your key to accurately translating temperatures between these two common scales. By following these steps, you can confidently convert any Celsius reading into its Fahrenheit equivalent. Let's try a quick example. Imagine you have 20 degrees Celsius. First, multiply 20 by 1.8, which gives you 36. Then, add 32 to that 36. Your final answer is 68 degrees Fahrenheit, so 20 degrees Celsius is exactly 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.